What is up, guys? Here last time we have stopped with the double jacket itself with a simple frame. For today I want to show you basic things. Here we have the auger itself. This is the tool that I'm going to use to move the data out of the mixer, and these two plates will push the data down to the auger, which will move it out of the mixer. Here are 4 heaters. These heaters will heat the water between the second and the first jacket, so the date inside the first jacket will be heated up to the temperature required. And these 2 motors, this one is to move the plates here in the opposite directions, and this one here is to move the auger forward and backward. So this is pretty much it, and what's left here is just to put some legs for the frame and the cover. Thank you for watching. Hope we can make more videos for you in the future. I will make these 2 plates in a separate videos in the future, and I will make the auger itself in a separate video in the future too. So you can, the goal of all this project is for you to understand the concept of design. As you can see in the name of the channel, we teach you concepts of design. We don't teach you how to draw a specific thing, we teach you how to think about the design of anything. So this one is an advanced tutorial. We will make playlists for parts individually, so to design the auger itself, the pitch, and all the calculations you need to know about, and for the blades themselves, how to make the angle of each blade and why we choose that angle, and depending on the material itself, the shape and the length of the blade and the motor that actuating all the system. So thank you for watching, and bye.